So we have rice, pasta, what's this? Fish and chips and chicken. Yeah, the food stock now. Yung food stock namin.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to GMA's Blogger Style Camp Formulation Night. Ngayong gabi po, malalaman natin which of our creative teams comprises our stars and of our bloggers will reign supreme. Ako po ang inyong host, Mark Galunian. I'm a senior photo writer at GMA Network. And
the talent pool of Artist Center, including updates on their activities, their advocacies, endorsements, and other activities outside of show business. And for the latest buzz on social media, promos, and other fan-related activities, you can go to the community website.
Lifestyle, fashion, and beauty bloggers here with us tonight. Can I get our show of hands to all our bloggers? And from all our bloggers? Yeah. Woo! Right, bloggers! You are one of the stars today. Okay, it's time for our final information number. Ladies and gentlemen, Gabby Garcia and Rudo Madrid.
We're both happy na you guys are here tonight with us.
Yes, pero tayo lang naman eh.
Right, so To The Top is a the first multi-platform boy band competition here in the Philippines. And mag-show na po siya on July 25, that's a Saturday, 8:50, and on Sunday, 9:45 p.m. So abangan niyo po yan. It doesn't matter. Microsite. GMAnetwork.com/ToTheTop. Ayan po. Don't forget. Okay, we're opening the floor for questions para po sa ating mga nagwagwapuang boys. Ayan po. Anyone here in the audience who wants to ask them anything about...
Good luck.
Ayan, sige. Ellie, game, sir. So we have Sir Ellie, Sir MJ. Tara, dito po kayo. I'll give you the mic, Hi guys. Again, palakpakan po for Team Gabu. Arena environment, this time, education. Ladies and gentlemen, their masterpieces. To capture the concept of anti-bullying. quality. Ladies and gentlemen, their masterpieces.
Wow!
Ayan, awards, galing po ito sa online voting natin. Okay, let's start with the People's Choice Award. Ito po yung nag-garner ng okay? Which team kaya of these four? Your name, right? Miss Chevy Lickett. Palakpakan po, mga kaibigan. People's Choice Award, Team Rastro for Gender Equality. Thank you, ma'am. Right, for the Female Super Stunner Award. Again, ito po yung nakakuha ng maraming votes online. Wala pong iba kundi si Miss Glyza De Castro.
Oh, wala siya.
She's not here, but I'm sure we have a representative. Ayan. The Most Marvelous Male Award goes to... You got it right, Miguel!
Spotlight.
Congratulations, Miguel! Sir clap! At syempre, hindi ka makakababa ng stage ito nang hindi nagsisteach. Yun, good evening guys. Yun, salamat sa lahat ng buko na Rizal Camp. Yun, salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta. Sayang hindi na lang education, gusto sana education. Medyo ko lang. Thank you guys, salamat po. It's an honor. Thank you.
Representing Rastro. Taray.
50% for a total of 100. All of these like
Okay, one more. Representing Rastro. Alright.
Mr. Celso Divine in 4th place. Team Rastro. In 3rd place. Team Miguel.
Oh my God!
2nd place goes to Team Chris Joy. Team Gabby in 1st place. How about a hand to all of our artists?
First of all, I would like to thank everyone who did a very good job at this event, at this project. We really had fun. I'm pretty sure all of us had really real fun. So, ayun, good luck to all of us. PST for the website and everything.
Yeah, thank you so much sa lahat ng mundo ng GMA Brothers Talent. And sobrang nag-enjoy kami. Talagang asin sobra. And talagang congratulations sa lahat ng nanalo dahil talagang nagawa natin yung best natin.
Ayan, good evening po sa inyong lahat. And thank you everyone for coming up with this project for us and for including us in your list. And I hope na it doesn't stop here. I hope na yung mga themes natin, na-live up talaga natin sila. And please watch Healing Hearts.
And guys, ito yung Healing Hearts. Hindi, gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang na-enjoy nga namin doon lahat. Actually, hindi naman siya competition para sa amin. Kung malinaw yung advocacy bawat team. Congrats sa lahat ng naging part nitong event na to. Sobrang successful guys. Palakpakan natin ang sarili nito. Yun, sana maging Healing Hearts please. Para extend ko lang.
Good evening to everyone. Again, just like everyone said, thank you for allowing us to join, and also yes, we all had fun actually for all the pictures and yung mga naging itsura nila after everything, no, masaya. Thank you so much, and also please watch A Small Family every Sunday after Vampire Danico and Sunday All Stars, and hopefully samahan niyo po kaming sa mga upcoming projects natin. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you ulit guys. Yun. Lahat naman nabigyan ng justice yung films namin. Salamat sa lahat. Thank you.
Congrats!
Now rocking with
Hindi namin na-expect na makakasing kami. I swear! Akala na congratulate kami. Thanks so much. Here's our photographer, Miss Chai. Hi! Thank you for the awesome photos. This is my outfit for tonight. Yan, maxi dress lang siya. Tapos napinatungan ko ng shawl and then belt. I'm sure nakita niyo na to. Ganun lang. So, it's already 9:10.